we started solving questions from WACS 2020, the GCE series questions. Now we are in question 4B. If you are new on this channel, I would like you to subscribe and press the bell for notifications of our previous videos and all the videos we are going to be putting on our YouTube. The ratio of the length of an arc. Now the first thing to do is to analyze the question again. Of an arc of a circle, length of an arc, the ratio of that to circumference. So we are going to start from there. So we have length of an arc, the ratio of that to circumference of the circle. Circumference, look at that, of a circle. The question says the ratio equals 3/7. Remember that ratio and fractions are similar. Now you have to know formulas of all these. Length of an arc is theta over 360 times 2 pi r. To be divided by circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. And we have the something to be equal to 3/7. So what is that going to be? So we have theta over 360 times 2 pi r times 1/2 pi r, so that this take care of this. So we have 3/7. So what do we have in return? So we have theta over 360 equals 3/7, such that theta will now be 360 times 3, everything over 7. So if you do this very well, you're going to be getting 154.29. So we have gotten the angle to be that. Now if you notice very well from here, we are given the radius to be what? the diameter. So the diameter we have here equals 14 centimeter. And remember that radius equals diameter over 2. And that is 14/2 centimeters. So we get 7 centimeters. So we have gotten all the parameters needed. So question 1 says, find the perimeter of the minor arc. What are the two things that form the perimeter? Perimeter of the minor arc. What are the two things that form the perimeter? Minor segment, sector, I beg your pardon. They are, if you have two radii and an arc, we have what we call the sector. So we have two radii plus arc, theta over 360 times 2 pi r. Very good. We have gotten our theta. So we have 2 into 7 plus the angle we have as 154.29. Look at that. Over 360 times 2. They give us pi at 22/7. Then times 7. If you notice, 7 we cancel 7 here, such that we are going to be getting what now? 14 plus, if you multiply the top very well, you're going to be getting 154.29 times 44 all over 360. So we have 14 plus, if you add everything together here and divide it by 360, you'll be getting 18.858. Use your calculator to do that, and that becomes what? 32.858, right? And the final answer becomes what? 32.9 centimeter. Anytime you are not asked to approximate to any significant figures or decimal, you can always leave it in 3 significant figures. So that is it for question 1. Now the next one says, calculate the area of major sector. Area of major sector. Now, major, we always have 360 minus that angle. This one is now area. That becomes 360 minus the angle over 360 times pi r squared. Very good. So what do we have here now? That becomes 360 minus the angle we calculated, and that is 154.29 everything over 360 times 22 over 7. Our radius was 7. So that 7 cancels 7 here. So we're going to be having everything will now be, what is 360 minus 154.29 going to give us? You can punch your calculator. That becomes 205.71 over 360, then times 22 times 7. Very good. So that will now be giving us what? If you multiply that very well, you'll be getting the numerator 31679.34 all over 360. Good. So if you divide that, you'll be getting what? 87.9982 centimeters squared. And that becomes 87 point, if you approximate, let's approximate it to, yeah, 87.00 centimeters squared. So if you are new on this channel, please, I would like you to subscribe, press the notification bell so that you can get more of our simplified videos. See you in the next question.